Today we're going to be going over how to make a vinaigrette dressing. It's super easy and all you need is oil and acid. Let's get started. Go ahead and grab a jar or literally any container with a lid and dump in your favorite oil. Olive oil is the standard, but just make sure it's something that you like. Next, add in your acid. I'm using lemon juice, but of course vinegar is the popular choice. You do you. My favorite ratio is about 2 parts oil to 1 part acid, which you can see because the two immediately separated. That's because oil is hydrophobic. Come on, oil, it's 2021. This just means that oil doesn't like water, so it separates. We're going to fix that. Oh, add some salt and pepper first. We're going to fix that with a process called emulsification. This is just a fancy word referring to the process of mixing together two liquids that don't really like each other. After a vigorous shaking, the two have set aside their differences and mixed together to form a vinaigrette. And now it's ready to, nope, we're going to shake it some more because it's fun. And now we're ready to taste our vinaigrette. Grab a cucumber, some lettuce or other rabbit food, and go ahead and give it a taste. It's pretty good, but it needs a little more seasoning, so more salt and pepper. Go ahead and put that lid back on and give it another shake. At this point, you can also add more oil or acid to get the flavor you like. The more acid, the tangier the dressing. Time to taste and, oops. Okay, fish that out and time to taste it again. Yep, it's vinaigrette. It's good, but I like to add some Dijon Mustard, among other things. So go ahead and shake it up and struggle to get that cap open. Keep struggling for some reason, and there we go. Go ahead and squeeze in about, I don't know, what, teaspoon, tablespoon? I'm not a chef. Why are you even taking advice from me? Anyway, shake it up, get that emulsification going again. All right, make a mess, and it's time to taste. Get your cucumber sacrifice and give it a taste. The mustard makes it creamier and helps it stay emulsified for longer. And here you have your tasty basic vinaigrette. Mix it up. Maybe use balsamic vinegar, apple cider vinegar. Heck, I bet there's even other kinds of vinegar. I hope you learned something, and if you like this video, go ahead and drop it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and as always, cook with what you have.